Here we are at Motorcycle Enhancements once again. Thanks for joining us. We're doing up some LED lights on this Roadking, and we're going to fire it up. Turn it on, and there's a bright LED lights. Hey Panda, what do you say, boy? That's the right turn signal, and it flashes amber. It turns from red to amber. And the tail light also has the arrow indicator. Left. Cool. Hit off. That's it. Now hit the brakes. That is super bright. Awesome. For any modifications that you want done to your bike, give us a call at Motorcycle Enhancements. Look us up on Facebook or Instagram. Have a nice day.